बगीचे में एक कुत्ता था। There was a dog in the garden. There was a dog in the garden. स्टेशन पर बहुत लोग थे। There were many people at the station. There were many people at the station. फ्रिज में दूध नहीं था। There wasn't any milk in the fridge. There wasn't any milk in the fridge. पार्क में कोई बच्चे नहीं थे। There weren't any children in the park. There weren't any children in the park. क्या मेरे लिए कोई चिट्ठी थी? Was there a letter for me? Was there a letter for me? क्या फ़ोन पर कोई संदेश थे? Were there any messages on the phone? Were there any messages on the phone? बाहर ज़ोर की आवाज़ थी। There was a loud noise outside. There was a loud noise outside. पेड़ पर चिड़िया थी। There were birds on the tree. There were birds on the tree. मेज़ पर एक भी किताब नहीं थी। There wasn't a single book on the table. There wasn't a single book on the table. हर किसी के लिए पर्याप्त कुर्सियाँ नहीं थी। There weren't enough chairs for everyone. There weren't enough chairs for everyone. तुम्हारे होमवर्क में एक गलती थी। There was a mistake in your homework. There was a mistake in your homework. उसके जूतों में छेद थे। There were holes in his shoes. There were holes in his shoes. क्या चाय बची थी? Was there any tea left? Was there any tea left? क्या पार्टी में कोई मेहमान थे? Were there any guests at the party? Were there any guests at the party? बस स्टॉप पर एक बस थी। There was a bus at the stop. There was a bus at the stop. कल रात आसमान में तारे थे। There were stars in the sky last night. There were stars in the sky last night. कमरे में पंखा नहीं था। There wasn't a fan in the room. There wasn't a fan in the room. लाइब्रेरी में कोई किताबें नहीं थी। There weren't any books in the library. There weren't any books in the library. क्लिनिक में एक डॉक्टर था। There was a doctor at the clinic. There was a doctor at the clinic. बाजार में बहुत सारी दुकानें थी। There were many shops in the market. There were many shops in the market. बाहर एक बूढ़ा आदमी बैठा था। There was an old man sitting outside. There was an old man sitting outside. कुछ बच्चे क्रिकेट खेल रहे थे। There were some children playing cricket. There were some children playing cricket. गांव में बिजली नहीं थी। There wasn't electricity in the village. There wasn't electricity in the village. सड़क पर लाइटें नहीं थी। There weren't lights on the street. There weren't lights on the street. क्या कमरे में फ़ोन था? Was there a phone in the room? Was there a phone in the room? क्या बिस्तर पर कोई कंबल थे? Were there any blankets on the bed? Were there any blankets on the bed? कल ट्रेन लेट थी। There was a train delay yesterday. There was a train delay yesterday. ग्राहकों की कई शिकायतें थी। There were many complaints from customers. There were many complaints from customers. टंकी में पानी नहीं था। There wasn't water in the tank. There wasn't water in the tank. पेड़ पर कोई फल नहीं थे। There weren't any fruits on the tree. There weren't any fruits on the tree. शाम को तूफान आया था. There was a storm in the evening. There was a storm in the evening. कीचड़ में पैरों के निशान थे. There were footprints in the mud. There were footprints in the mud. हॉल में कोई शोर नहीं था. There wasn't any noise in the hall. There wasn't any noise in the hall. उस दिन कोई आगंतुक नहीं आया था. There weren't any visitors that day. There weren't any visitors that day. क्या कोई होमवर्क करना था? Was there any homework to do? Was there any homework to do? क्या कार्यक्रम के दौरान बहुत समस्याएं थी? Were there many problems during the event? Were there many problems during the event? दीवार पर एक घड़ी थी. There was a clock on the wall. There was a clock on the wall. वेज में फूल थे. There were flowers in the vase. There were flowers in the vase. कोई अच्छा जवाब नहीं था. There wasn't a good response. There wasn't a good response. बहुत विकल्प नहीं थे. There weren't many options. There weren't many options. खेत में एक सांप था. There was a snake in the field. There was a snake in the field. ज़मीन पर बहुत सारी चींटियाँ थी. There were many ants on the ground. There were many ants on the ground. पर्याप्त खाना नहीं था. There wasn't enough food. There wasn't enough food. पर्याप्त स्वयंसेवक नहीं थे. There weren't enough volunteers. There weren't enough volunteers. क्या कल रात पार्टी थी? Was there a party last night? Was there a party last night? क्या पिछले सप्ताह कोई परीक्षा थी? Were there any exams last week? Were there any exams last week? मेज पर एक पेन था. There was a pen on the table. There was a pen on the table. अलमारी में पुराने अखबार थे. There were old newspapers in the cupboard. There were old newspapers in the cupboard. पेन में स्याही नहीं था. There wasn't any ink in the pen. There wasn't any ink in the pen. परीक्षा में कोई गलती नहीं थी. There weren't any mistakes in the test. There weren't any mistakes in the test. पास में एक मंदिर था. There was a temple nearby. There was a temple nearby. दीवार पर पेंटिंग्स थी. There were paintings on the wall. There were paintings on the wall. कोई उम्मीद नहीं बची थी. There wasn't any hope left. There wasn't any hope left. बहुत दर्शक नहीं थे. There weren't many spectators. There weren't many spectators. क्या कार में ईंधन था? Was there any fuel in the car? Was there any fuel in the car? क्या मेज पर पर्याप्त गिलास थे? Were there enough glasses on the table? Were there enough glasses on the table? दो लड़कों के बीच झगड़ा हुआ था. There was a fight between two boys. There was a fight between two boys. हर जगह खिलौने थे. There were toys everywhere. There were toys everywhere. कोई नेटवर्क नहीं था. There wasn't any network. There wasn't any network. रात 8 बजे के बाद कोई बस नहीं थी. There weren't any buses after 8 p.m. There weren't any buses after 8 p.m. बाथरूम में एक आईना था. There was a mirror in the bathroom. There was a mirror in the bathroom. रस्सी पर कपड़े सूख रहे थे. There were clothes drying on the rope. There were clothes drying on the rope. बटुए में पैसे नहीं थे. There wasn't any money in the wallet. There wasn't any money in the wallet. कोई सीट उपलब्ध नहीं थी. There weren't any seats available. There weren't any seats available. क्या कमरे में रोशनी थी? Was there a light in the room? Was there a light in the room? क्या उस बैग में किताबें थी? Were there books in that bag? Were there books in that bag? बेड के पास की कमीज पर एक लैंप था. There was a lamp on the bedside table. There was a lamp on the bedside table. शर्ट पर दाग थे. There were stains on the shirt. There were stains on the shirt. मक्खन नहीं बचा था. There wasn't any butter left. There wasn't any butter left. घटना स्थल पर कोई पुलिस अधिकारी नहीं थे. There weren't any police officers at the spot. There weren't any police officers at the spot. सोफे पर एक बिल्ली सो रही थी. There was a cat sleeping on the sofa. There was a cat sleeping on the sofa. दराज में पुराने सिक्के थे. There were old coins in the drawer. There were old coins in the drawer. कोई पंखा नहीं चल रहा था. There wasn't any fan running. There wasn't any fan running. सोमवार को कोई परीक्षा नहीं थी. There weren't any exams on Monday. There weren't any exams on Monday. क्या चॉकलेट बची थी? Was there any chocolate left? Was there any chocolate left? क्या डेस्क पर कोई फाइलें थी? Were there any files on the desk? Were there any files on the desk? पृष्ठभूमि में संगीत बज रहा था. There was music playing in the background. There was music playing in the background. खिड़की के बाहर पैरों के निशान थे. There were footprints outside the window. There were footprints outside the window. स्पष्ट संकेत नहीं था. There wasn't a clear signal. There wasn't a clear signal. मेरे साथ ज़्यादा दोस्त नहीं थे. There weren't many friends with me. There weren't many friends with me. गेट के पास एक आदमी खड़ा था. There was a man standing near the gate. There was a man standing near the gate. मेज़ पर फोटो थी. There were photos on the table. There were photos on the table. करी में नमक नहीं था. There wasn't any salt in the curry. There wasn't any salt in the curry. हॉल में पंखे नहीं थे. There weren't any fans in the hall. There weren't any fans in the hall. क्या बोर्ड पर कोई संदेश था? Was there any message on the board? Was there any message on the board? क्या कल घर में मेहमान थे? Were there guests in the house yesterday? Were there guests in the house yesterday? घटना पर एक रिपोर्ट थी. There was a report on the incident. There was a report on the incident. सरकार द्वारा चेतावनियां दी गई थी. There were warnings issued by the government. There were warnings issued by the government. डरने की कोई बात नहीं थी. There wasn't anything to fear. There wasn't anything to fear. कोई लाइट काम नहीं कर रही थी। There weren't any lights working. There weren't any lights working. कमरे में सन्नाटा था। There was silence in the room. There was silence in the room. शेल्फ पर औजार थे। There were tools on the shelf. There were tools on the shelf. पूरा करने के लिए पर्याप्त समय नहीं था। There wasn't enough time to finish. There wasn't enough time to finish. उस रूट पर कोई बस नहीं थी। There weren't any buses on that route. There weren't any buses on that route. क्या रात में कोई आवाज़ थी? Was there any noise at night? Was there any noise at night? क्या डिनर पर मेहमान थे? Were there guests for dinner? Were there guests for dinner? गेट पर लोग इंतज़ार कर रहे थे। There were people waiting at the gate. There were people waiting at the gate. टायर में हवा नहीं थी। There wasn't any air in the tire. There wasn't any air in the tire. परीक्षा में बहुत सवाल नहीं थे। There weren't many questions in the test. There weren't many questions in the test.